As a student, money is one of the most stressful things you'll have to deal with. Being a student isn't easy, there's a lot to pay for, and the chances are that you won't have time to fit a full-time job in around your hectic schedule of studying. There are plenty of fantastic ways that you can make money online during your spare time, with nothing more than a little creativity and an internet connection. Before I start, please listen. If you are watching this as time pass or anything like that, please skip this video, or watch it till the end please. I'm here actually to help you. Because in this video I'm going to show you the actual ways of earn money by doing part-time but great effort. There is no scam at all, it's about hard work, passion and madness to make yourself independent. And at the end of the video I will tell you which way is suitable for each of you. Here are 7 of the best ways to make some money online as a student. 1. Fill out online surveys. Surveys have long been a popular way for students and everyday consumers to make a little bit of extra money on the side. There are countless research companies out there looking for insights that they can sell to big-name brands. That means that if you've got time to fill in a few forms a day, you should be on your way to some extra cash. You won't earn thousands from filling out surveys, but you can earn up to $3 per questionnaire on some sites. 2. Publish a book. Finding the time to publish a book while you're working on your degree might seem a little unrealistic. You can publish almost anything online. You don't necessarily need to create a long book, just a basic ebook or children's novel could be enough to make some money. Students are usually pretty good at researching and writing things, so you shouldn't have too much trouble finding something to write about. List your book online with Amazon, and anytime someone buys it you'll earn 70% of the sale. 3. Be a click worker. Being a click worker might not be the most exciting way to earn money in the digital world, but it is one of the easiest options. To perform this task, all you need to do is go to a website like clickworker.com where you can find companies advertising simple tasks that they need people to do quickly. These jobs might include form filling or web research. 4. Get a part-time gig. In the past, freelancing wasn't much of an option for students who needed a part-time gig. If you couldn't go out to work, there would be a good chance that you'd struggle to find an extra source of income. Fortunately, there are now dozens of websites set up online for people who want to work on projects by the hour. If you can design websites, write blogs, or simply help out with basic administrative tasks like answering emails, then you could be in demand. Check out sites like Fiverr to get started and see how much you can earn online. 5. Create a YouTube channel. Now this is the method that I guess probably motivate you to do something. No doubt YouTube nowadays has become the most popular way to earn money even among students. There is a lot variety that you can work on, and with some dedication you can earn a handsome amount of money. It really depends upon how much you want to give your time and effort to the YouTube and upload the content. You will get money proportionate to the time you will give time to the YouTube. That's right, your guess is right. You can do this part-time as well as full-time. One tip is that make sure you follow your passion and interest for the content of your YouTube channel, and if you are blank about the idea, don't go for this, and invest your time and effort somewhere else. 6. Create a website. Now parallel to the YouTube, to have and run your website can also give you the money you can never imagine. Of course it also need a great effort, patience and struggle. And most important, you like to write on regular basis. 7. Become a tutor. Why wait until you've finished your degree to get the most out of your education? Start selling on what you've learned straight away by becoming a tutor. It's best to tutor people in the year below you, as you'll probably feel a lot more confident teaching the parts of your course that you've already covered. You can even create courses online that you can sell to people in your spare time, so you don't have to find moments in your schedule for face-to-face sessions. Now, most important part of the video, which way you should adapt to earn part-time a great money. Let me speak honestly with you. Take an example. Once Abraham Lincoln said, "Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe." I hope you are getting the point here. Let me help you for that. The question was, which way you should adapt, so ask this question to yourself, take time and think, and most importantly, go explore yourself. Within some time you will get to know which way is better for you. Once you get it, take stand and start working for it. So that's very much about it. Best wishes for you. I'm here for you. Let me serve you.